안녕하세요. Hello guys, this is Kim 선생님 from Teacher Kim's Korean class. My name is Kim Hyun-chul. It's nice to see you back. In the previous video, I introduced the Korean alphabet that is called Hangul. I talked about what is Hangul, who created Hangul, and how was Hangul created. If you missed the previous one, push the link above to watch it and come back here again. In this video, I'm gonna talk about basic vowels. You will learn 8 basic vowels, how to read and how to pronounce them. Let's get started. First of all, I want to let you know the free writing material that I made is available. I'll put the link in the description below so you can try to write your own handwriting, right? We are learning Korean alphabet and we are starting from vowels. The reason we start from vowel is that Korean consonant can't make syllable by themselves. They always need vowels. But the vowels can be syllable or word independently. So we'd better start from vowels. As I told you in the previous video, all the Hangul vowels are a combination of 3 symbols. They are a dot symbolizing universe, vertical line that symbolize human, and horizontal line symbolizing the earth. There is no curved line or angled shape in the Korean vowels. Just remember dot, vertical line, and the horizontal line. Okay? I'm gonna explain one by one. Let us start from easy one. Here is a vertical line that symbolizes human and a dot. Let's consider this dot symbolizes the sun and the sun is right side. This is the first vowel and it sounds like ah. Ah. Ah sound is easy for you, I think, because most of the languages have the same sound. So it should be easy. Just open your mouth widely and your tongue is at the bottom, then vocalize. Ah. Let's pronounce vowel ah 5 times together. Ah, 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 ah. The order of writing Hangul is always left to right and top to bottom. So when you write vowel ah, draw a vertical line first and draw a dot on the right side. Actually a tiny horizontal line to be seen easier. That is vowel ah. And if I put a little circle before ah, that is a syllable or character ah. Don't worry about this little circle, I will explain it later. At the moment, you can just think this is a vowel ah and that is syllable or character ah. Okay, now it's your turn. Try to do your own handwriting on the writing material. Good job. Let's move on to the next vowel. Next one is this. Here is a human and the sun is left side. That is the second vowel. It sounds like oh. Oh. If you want to pronounce vowel oh correctly, open your mouth and your tongue should be back and middle. Oh. Oh. Okay, let us pronounce vowel oh 5 times together. Oh. 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 I told you the order of writing Hangul is always left to right and top to bottom. So when you write vowel oh, draw a tiny horizontal line, and on the right side, draw a vertical line through the end of the tiny line. That is vowel oh. And I put a little circle before oh, that is syllable or character oh. Okay, try to do your own handwriting on the writing material. Alright, let's move on to the next vowel. That is the next one. Did you remember this horizontal line? Yes, this horizontal line symbolizes the earth. Now this dot, which means sun, is rising from the earth. That is the next vowel. And it sounds like O. O. You might think it is the same as English alphabet O, but they are not the same. It is different. When you pronounce English alphabet O, the mouth shape is changing during pronunciation. O, O, right? But the Korean alphabet O doesn't make your mouth shape change it. You can just make a little circle with your lips and the tongue should be back, then vocalize. O, O. Keep your mouth shape while pronouncing O. Let's pronounce vowel O 5 times together. O, 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 right? So when you write vowel O, draw a dot. Actually, it is a short vertical line because it has to meet a horizontal line, and then draw a horizontal line at the bottom through the short vertical line. That is vowel O. And I can put a little circle to make a syllable or character. And if the vowel has a horizontal line, the earth, the circle should be on top, right? That is O. Okay, now it's your turn. Try to do your own handwriting on the writing material. Good. Let's move on to the next one. Here is the next one. Now the sun is falling down. It gets dark. Maybe you can see the moon in the sky. That is the next vowel. And it sounds like double O when you say moon. If you want to pronounce U sound correctly, make a little circle like when you say O, and your tongue should be back in the middle. Raise your jaw, then vocalize. Your mouth shape should be like this. Let's try to pronounce vowel U 5 times together. U, 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 U. Okay? When you write vowel U, draw a horizontal line first, and then from the middle of the horizontal line, draw a short vertical line. That is vowel U. And if I put a little circle above vowel U, that is syllable or character U. Okay, try to do your own handwriting on the writing material. Good. Let's move on to the next one. Now I'm explaining two vowels together because their sounds are almost the same. E, E. First one is this. You remember vowel O? It has just one more vertical line. The sun and two guys on the right. And the next vowel, you remember vowel A? It has just one more vertical line on the right. So there are two guys and the sun is between them. Those two vowels have the same sound, which is E, E. Actually, their sounds are maybe slightly different, but Korean people can't distinguish them. They don't mind. Korean people don't mind. The teacher don't mind. So you don't have to worry about it. I don't want to confuse you for such a thing. Just consider their sounds are the same. Okay? That is E. Like A sound when you say apple. E. Let's pronounce vowel E 5 times together. E, 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 E. Right? So when you write first E, draw a tiny horizontal line, and on the right side, draw a vertical line through the end of the tiny line, and then draw another horizontal line side by side. And when you write second E, draw a vertical line first, and then from the middle of the vertical line, draw a tiny horizontal line, and then draw a vertical line through the end of the tiny line. They are vowel E. And if I put little circles before vowel 2E, they are syllable or character E. Okay, try to do your own handwriting on the writing material. Let's move on to the next vowel. This vowel is very simple. We read it E. It is easy. Sounds like double E when you say English word see. Let's pronounce vowel E 5 times together. E, 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 E. Writing vowel E also very simple. Just draw a vertical line top to bottom. That's all. And as you see, I put a little circle before vowel E because it is a vertical line. It is syllable or character E. Okay, now it is your turn. Try to do your own handwriting on the writing material. Let's move on to the last one for today. Next vowel is this. It looks very simple, just a horizontal line which symbolizes the earth. But it is one of the most difficult vowel to pronounce in Hangul because most of the languages don't have the same sound. It sounds like U. So I want to tell you how to practice U sound. All you need to practice is a pen which is clean. I don't care the color. We won't draw anything. We are gonna hold the pen with teeth. And when vocalize, try not to touch the pen with your tongue. U. 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 How was it? If you are not familiar with sound, I strongly recommend you to practice with the pen until you get used to it. I'm sure it works. Okay, writing is very simple. Just draw a horizontal line, that's all. And if I put a little circle above vowel because it is horizontal line, it is syllable or character Okay, try to do your own handwriting on the writing material. Very good, you are doing very well. We learned 8 basic vowels that are composed of 3 symbols: a human, the sun, and the earth. So a human with the sun on the right, that is A, and a human with the sun on the left, that is O, and the sun on the earth, that is O. Keep your mouth shape, O, and the sun is falling down and you can see the moon, U, and 2 vowels that have the same sound, E, and a vertical line, E, and a horizontal line, U. Understood? Okay, it is listening time. I'm gonna pronounce some vowels and you try to choose the right one. Okay, first one is A. A. Which vowel is correct? Again, A. A. The answer is number 1. Did you get the right answer? I think it is easy. Next question. O. O. Which vowel did I speak? Again, O. O. The answer is number 2. Some of you guys might be confused between vowel O and O. The difference between them is the mouth shape. When I say O, I open my mouth. I can put my thumb into the mouth and the tongue should be back. O. O. But pronouncing O, I just make a little circle with my lips and keep the mouth shape while vocalizing. O. O. Right? And the last question, which vowel am I speaking? U. U. The answer is number 3. Well done guys, that is all for today. If you like this lesson, hit the like please and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys, my name is 김현철 and I will see you in the next video very soon. 감사합니다.